Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, February the 18th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles in this puzzle page: the Sudoku with 4 stars, the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic cipher block, they called it in the Netherlands. Yes, in Japanese it's a suguru, and we have here the binary. Yes, 10 by 10 binary. Well, it's time for binary, and this one has 3 stars, this one has 2 stars, so I don't think you want me to solve the 2 stars. Alright, the 3 stars binary 10 by 10. And this will be number 5984. 5984. Let me double check if this is double 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, correct. 10 by 10. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 21 printed digits. Alright. Yeah. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And double O, here one, and there one. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Oh, wait. Here I need to wait. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 5 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Alright. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Here we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. And now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we have also 4 1s. We need to think here. Yeah. Or we need to compare. Well, we have here 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Right. Well, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have also 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a O1. Alright. Okay. Then, the following step. Let me think. The following step is to compare. Well, seems like we need to compare. 4, yeah. Need to place it there. Okay. Interesting. We have only 1 completed column and 3 completed rows. Let me check for here, double 1. We have a double 1 here, double 1 here. Let me check. 1. Look. This last column and that column, second column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4. Still 1 2 3 4. Still cannot do anything with this comparing. Yeah. 1 2 3 4. Well, we have here 3 ones. Okay. Okay. Then the rows. Let me check. This row I can compare, or these 2 boxes. These 2 rows I can compare. Let me see. No, I can not compare this one. But no, I cannot compare this one. How about this one then? 101. This row and this row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Wow. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1 here, no there, no. Now we have here 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Yeah. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Oh, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Okay, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Well, completed in 10 minutes. Wow. Yeah. You need to compare twice. Maybe one time. I don't believe this has any use, the last column. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Until then, bye bye for now.